One cool thing at Southern Miss was they had a priest walking through the stands yesterday, like throwing blessings on them.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. I think he's getting close to the same number of radios I've got, and I've got over 400. So Jeff he's either caught up or exceeded, because he's still collecting. I'm just collecting in a very moderate pace. Anyway, this is a National-Panasonic model R-1037 AM only radio. He got it from the Radio Attic. That's a place here in Florida where he takes his radios to be repaired, and he got it for $40. It uses 2 AA batteries, AM only, so it doesn't have a telescopic antenna. 6 transistor, and pretty small. And I think this was for a carrying strap. I'm not positive. There's the on-off volume. There is the earphone jack. And there's the back of the radio. And you have to take the whole back cover off. It all comes off in one piece to put in the 2 AA batteries. Got a pretty small dial because it's a small radio. And it's a little touchy to tune. I'm going to show you that right now. Turn the volume back up.
Bartender Joe Boone needs a refill.
Little tinny. Got a tiny speaker.
I'm contractually obligated.
Tuning knob is up here. If I get my finger on it. Good reception.
That has been a conversation here about why the Chiefs would potentially not get DeAndre Hopkins. Because they're worried about, hey, this is the standard that we have set here.
Seems to like this orientation.
And does he fall in line with that? Really? And see them quickly.
It's considered a codfish. So often.
Make your Google search results look their best.
Picking up lots of stations. Of course, there's lots of stations in my area. And I'm in my office, so we are experiencing interference. China radio? No, it's Spanish. Sounded like Chinese there for a second.
Charleston, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and Wingding TV. Your take,
Totally analog.
These things are really...
No DSP. I don't know. Did he say? No, he didn't say what vintage this is. Probably 1970s, I'm guessing. Okay, that's the top of the band. Now, a funny story about this. He put it in a box with a bunch of other radios, and he wrapped it in this bubble wrap. Well, unfortunately, one of my cats loves bubble wrap. So she got into the box, pulled the radio out, and brought it to me in the other room. She drug it to me in the other room. Now, he also had some loose bubble wrap, which she scattered throughout the house. So, Jeff, I think we lost some of your bubble wrap because the cat loves to pop all those bubbles. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.